Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix your account has been locked for violating community guidelines on Snapchat. So if you also want to fix your account has been locked for violating community guidelines on Snapchat, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So sometimes the Snapchat may lock your account if you have violated any community guidelines. So make sure you do not violate any community guidelines while using Snapchat. But if you haven't violated any community guidelines but still your account is locked, then watch this video till the end and I'll tell you how to fix it. So first of all, what you have to do is open any browser of your choice. I'm opening Google Chrome. You can see over here Google Chrome is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the search bar and type support.snapchat.com. Tap on enter. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several options. At second, you'll be able to see option for my account is compromised. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several options. Even though your account is locked, do not select the option my account is locked, because if you select the option, Snapchat will not help you to recover your account. Simply select any option of your choice other than that. Now scroll down. You can see several informations over here. Make sure to read it very carefully. Now here you'll have to fill up this kind of informations. Tap on the username box and type in your username. Now also type in your email. Make sure to type in the email that is associated with your Snapchat. Now type in your phone number. Now provide the description about your problem. Now all you have to do is tap on this option submit. Now after it is submitted, you'll be sent an email. All you have to do is wait for the email of Snapchat. Their Snapchat may address your problem and it might question you regarding several things. You have to reply to Snapchat, and after that Snapchat will look into your problem and try to recover your account. So that is how you fix your account has been locked for violating community guidelines on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.